Most of the times, this button is disabled, except when you plug in your MetaQuest device or anyway XR headset. And in the case of MetaQuest, you have to activate MetaQuest link. So you have to plug it in with a cable and go inside MetaQuest link. If you don't notice any change, you will have to restart Postshot, and then you will see that you can select this button now. Now, I already edited this, so now I'm going to see this in XR. So we are here. Now we switch to MetaQuest link. Do that. Okay. Postshot XR view. And here we are. So we can view it. We cannot do anything else. So even if I use my controller to go around, I cannot go around. And there is some effect of waves. So there is something that is not smooth. But still, it's a way to visualize it. And let's try to physically move. Even though the cable is not allowed. So you can move around it, but of course it will be hard to go behind it. So you can just move frontally and a little bit laterally. You need a lot of space, but that's pretty much it. So that's how you can see your Gaussian splat in extended reality with Postshot. And if you want to know how I created this Gaussian splat with Postshot, here is the link to the video. It's an entire tutorial from start to end. I created other videos about Gaussian splatting and extended reality and in general emerging technologies, so check it out on my channel. And yeah, leave a like. Bye. See you in the next video.